Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the charging port on your Lenovo Yoga 15 IKB. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws located around the perimeter. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. After removing the back cover, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the charging port. It is typically situated near the battery. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the charging port to avoid any debris interfering with the repair. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust. Next, disconnect the battery by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. This step is crucial to ensure your safety while working on the device. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the battery disconnected, locate the screws securing the charging port. Carefully unscrew them using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the charging port out of its socket. If it's stuck, use the spudger to carefully pry it loose. Now take your new charging port and align it with the socket. Push it in gently until it clicks into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery by placing it back in its compartment and securing it with the screws. Before closing the back cover, double-check all connections to ensure everything is secure. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way you can avoid the hassle of no calls, no travel. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the 10 screws to secure the cover. Power on your laptop and test the new charging port to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This ensures you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the charging port on your Lenovo Yoga 720 15 IKB. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.